Today I will show you how you can make a loader or how you can use a loader to make a software with some hardware cables in 2000 HD Hyper. This is SR-2000 HD Hyper. I'm gonna show you how you can connect the cables and which cable do you need for this process. First of all, you need RS-232 USB to RS-232 cable. This is the cable. One side is USB and the second side is RS-232 or the serial cable. So this is a serial side and the second is USB side. So this cable will connect with PC and the second portion of this serial will be connected with this receiver. But the problem is that this connector is a male connector, and here, as you can see in this receiver, it is also a male connector. So it is impossible to connect those two same connectors with each other. So for this purpose we need another cable which is called female to female serial cable or RS-232 cable. So this is the cable which helps to connect our receiver with this cable. So first of all, I will connect first and here in this cable, and the second and will connect here. As you can see, first connector is connected here, while the second is connected with this cable, and I will connect this cable with my PC and then I will show you the next part. Okay, I am in my PC now. As you can see, software which I have installed here is 1.73 right now. So I'm going to use the loader and I will guide you how you can use the loader to upgrade or downgrade your software as well. So in this receiver everything is working fine. As you can see, the channels are okay, working fine, everything is okay. Okay, here is my screen. I'm going to show you, first of all, we need to download the loader. This is the website of starset.com. This is the official website of Starset. I will go to the downloads, and here is HD, but this is only HD. Don't use only HD. This is 2000 HD Hyper. So because my receiver is 2000 HD Hyper, so I'm gonna download this software only. Okay, it's downloaded in my desktop. Here it is. The second thing, we need to download the software which we need to install in this receiver. For example, my receiver is already have 1.73, but I need to install 1.71 version. I mean, I want to downgrade my receiver, so I need to download the software from sattw.com. This is 2000 HD Hyper. Here the variant, it is 1.70, 1.71, 1.73. I need to download 1.71. okay, here is the software 1.71. here is a picture. This is the female to female cable which you need to connect the receiver, and the second cable is RS-232 to USB cable. Okay, here is the folder which I have extracted from this zip file. I will open this folder. Here we can see there are two files. One is a text file, how to update. First of all, we will read it carefully. This is how to use a loader update tool for 2000 HD Hyper. This is a very important note and I suggest you all to read it carefully. Very important. Please do not start this process if you don't have time to complete by sitting nearby the receiver, or you have any chance to cut off your electricity. In some areas like India and Pakistan, like they have problem in the electricity. So in this case, if you have any doubt that your electricity is not stable, don't try this process, because this process, if failed, it will break your device. It will damage your receiver's flash chip and it will break when you will not able to use it anymore. You will need to replace the motherboard in case of fail during the upgrade process. Okay, if you have everything okay, then we can begin. First process is connect PC and the box with RS-232 line or the cable, RS-232 cable, as I have shown you before. Let me show you again. This is the cable. This USB connector you need to connect with your PC. Okay, first of all, I have connected this USB with my PC. Now I have to check which COM port is it connected, because in this next step, open dongleUp.exe. This is the folder name. Oh, sorry, this is the file name which we have in the same folder. This is the software. Here you can see COM1, COM2, COM3, COM4 and blah blah blah. So first of all, you need to know which COM port your USB is using. So for this purpose, we need to go to my computer properties, device manager, and here this is the ports COM and LPT. This is the USB serial. It is using COM6. If you want to change the port, for example COM6 to COM1, double click here, port setting. This is advanced, and here this is the list of the ports available. Able to use this one, COM2, COM6, 7 and blah blah. So if I want to change COM2, okay, now it is using COM2. Okay, what was this one? I will select COM2 because there are congested numbers, so we have to guess. This is COM1, COM2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and so on. Okay, second, the next process is open the software tool and press open button to select correct file which you want to upgrade. This process, open, and here as you know, I have downloaded the software of 1.71 version of 2000 HD Hyper from satdw.com. So after the extraction, this folder, I have this file. This is a bin file, as you can see, .bin. This is a bin file, so we need to select this file for the process. So this is the location of this file. This is a bin 1.71. I will double click here and I have selected the file. The next process is press start button in the tool. This tool, press start. Here this error is coming because we have changed the port but we didn't restart the PC. So after the changing a port, we need to restart the PC. So I will be back after the restarting the PC. Okay, here we go. I have restarted my PC, so I'm gonna start it again. This is the file, kindness file. Okay, I was here. Okay, open this tool here. Here it is. Open button to select correct file. Open. This is a 1.71 variant. Okay, that file which you want to upgrade, and I have to select COM2. As you know, I have changed the COM port from 6 to 2. Okay, after then press start button in Google your p.exe tool. Press start. It is sending upgrade request to box. In the meanwhile I will show you my receiver. This is my receiver. It's working very fine, and I will show you which variant I'm having right now. Settings, about STB. As you can see, I have software variant of 1.73, and now I am going to install 1.71 via the loader. Okay, here it is sending request to the box, but it is not accepting because the box is on. The next step is then turn off your receiver from the power button behind the box or the cut off to electricity. Okay, now I am going to turn off and on this receiver suddenly. Off and on. As you can see, this is transfer data now. It is started. The data has been started now. In this time, don't bother, don't go anywhere else, and please remember your electricity will not go off. Do not turn off this receiver. Do not will fail, then your receiver will be brick. You will not use your receiver anymore until you have to change the motherboard. Okay, this process will take a few minutes, so I will be here. Alright, as you can see, the process has been finished. I will show you my receiver. Here it is. I will go to the menu, settings, 0000, about STB, and here as you can see it is 1.71, which I have tried to upload via the loader. That's it. Thanks for watching.